Nurse, tignan mo. Yung dressing ko sa kamay parang madumi na. Hindi ko sigurado kung kailangan na ba itong palitan o hindi.
Wait lang po pakilapit po ng kaunti, hindi ko po masyadong makita. Hindi malinaw kung infected ba yan or marumi lang. I understand po yung frustration nyo, pero po limitado lang po kasi ang may tutulong ko sa inyo through video.
Frustrated with online consultations that just don't cut it? Meet Mediscan, an app that turns your phone into a medical scanner. With just one scan, the app identifies the problem from dirty dressings to possible signs of infection. No more second guessing. And do you know what's the best part? It gives you a step-by-step instructions tailored to your case. Even when you're at home, at the office, or even in a virtual call, the Mediscan bridges the gap. Scan, identify, act, Mediscan. Healthcare in one tap.
Aba, ang dali lang pala. Buti na lang may Mediscan. Hindi ko na kailangang manghula.